Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a sort of mirror shake edit on CapCut. So on this picture I'm just going to set the duration to about 0.5, but you can adjust it to how you'd like it to be at the end, I guess. And then I'm going to select the picture, go to animation, and go to in. And we are going to find shake 1. Where is it? Here it is. I'm just going to adjust the duration of the video again a little bit, like so. Then I'm just going to copy it, and then on the second clip I'm just going to choose mirror. So go to edit and choose mirror, and then I'm going to copy the first one again and put it next to the mirrored version, and I'm just going to keep on doing that until I have a lot of the clip. So just keep on copying and pasting. I'm just going to do one more, but you can add on as many as you'd like. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!